Hi everybody, thank you very much for watching my channel, and today I bring in you some guidance for this week, and I will use the cards Archangel Gabriel Oracle card deck. I saw someone was asking, not on this page but on different page, someone was asking about manifestation, and it just came to me that I have to talk about it. Manifestation is very popular and very easy because some people don't understand to this point, some people are understanding and they are successful in that. So manifestation is about to change the way you're thinking, to change your thoughts, because the thoughts are actually the most important, because they are connected to the universe and to God and angels. So it's not about that you will write in, like people are doing, they will write in multiple times some wish, or they are doing something, or not even they are doing the amazing water. Some people are not doing properly, because amazing water technique that I have the video here, it's about actually manifestation. But the most important part is to set your thoughts, set your mind that way, to believe in that actually that you are able to change something. And another part very important is that you have to actually think in present time. Like when you want to bring something into your life, and let's talk about health, yeah? Then you want to be healthy again, so you have to say that I am healthy. It's not that I want to be healthy, I want to be rich, I want to find love. You have to say everything in the present moment, that you have to say like, I am healthy, I am rich, I found the love that I was looking for. So that's what you have to do, and then you have to believe in that actually, that things are working, because we are humans and we have the tendency to think more often negative, and this is actually what can make it complicated for us, and it can turn all the hard work, it can turn to different way, because once you will, let's take it different way, let's take it this way, you will create your goal, let's say goal, that you want to achieve something, and you will believe in that it's possible, because you will have the mind in that direction. But still inside, it's a small piece like this that it will say that it's not possible, it will not work in that way, and this small part has to go away. So you have to completely 100% be fully concerned and focus on this one, and you have to 100% believe that actually you are able to achieve whatever you want. Because this is about it. The life, it's not about suffering, be sick or get a pain or anything, hurt. Life is about to enjoy it. But we are humans, we are not realizing that. Not even some humans, some people are realizing that once we are passed away, then we continue. Some people are thinking that once we passed away, it's over. But this is not like this, So we have to completely change the way we are thinking, So at manifestation, you have to set your goals, set your wish, what you needed in your life. Think that way. Visualize this in front of you or inside you have it. And stay positive and bring it into your life, and continue manifesting on a daily basis until you will have it. So it's very powerful, like you are going to sleep and you will thinking about it, you will awake in the morning, you will thinking about it, and believe in that, you have to believe in something what you are doing, because if you are not believing this, it will never work. So this is about it. So what's the cards? I forget about the cards. So Monday, Tuesday, oh, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So editor, and this means if you are creating something, writing, sewing, or making songs, music, or in a spiritual way, then you need, if you feel that way, don't be ashamed to ask for help, because someone can help you and can support you as well on your path. Nurture yourself in the middle of the week. Nurture yourself, because you will feeling tired. You need to self-care and to get in more energy to continue, so the energy will grow. And Friday, Saturday, Sunday, express your inner truth. Bring what is inside you, bring it out. Your creative work will shine brightest when it reflects your genuine feelings and thoughts. Trust yourself, believe in yourself. And manifestation is not that complicated. It's about how you program your mind, how you set your mind. So thank you very much for watching my videos. I wish you I wish you a beautiful week and amazing sunny days, and let's enjoy the summer. Thank you. Bye.